Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a small but significant upgrade for your Apple AirPods Pro, the Vanjua replacement ear tips. If you're an owner of either the first or second generation AirPods Pro, these are specifically designed for you, and it's important to note they are only asterisk compatible with those models, not the standard AirPods. Upon first inspection, one immediately notices the thoughtful design. These ear tips boast a slim profile, ensuring they don't add any unnecessary bulk to your AirPods Pro, which is crucial for maintaining that sleek, original aesthetic and comfortable fit within the charging case. Installation and removal are described as remarkably easy, suggesting a user-friendly experience right out of the box. This means less fumbling and more listening. The materials used here are a definite highlight. Vanjua has crafted these ear tips from a combination of environment-friendly plastic and anti-stretch silicone. This blend promises durability and resilience, ensuring they can withstand daily use without losing their shape or integrity. The core of the ear tip, the part that sits in your ear, is made from high-quality soft silicone. This choice of material is paramount for comfort, and it's clear Vanjua prioritized this aspect. Furthermore, a key feature mentioned is the inclusion of a noise reduction hole. This isn't just a simple silicone tip. It's engineered to potentially enhance the noise-canceling capabilities of your AirPods Pro, which is a fantastic bonus for anyone looking to truly immerse themselves in their audio. Comfort is often subjective, but these ear tips aim for universal appeal. Their ultra-lightweight nature means they are barely noticeable, allowing for long-lasting comfort even during extended listening sessions. No one wants ear fatigue, and these seem designed to prevent just that. To cater to a wider range of ear shapes and sizes, Vanjua provides 3 different sizes in each pack. This ensures that users can find their perfect fit, which is essential not only for comfort, but also for optimal sound delivery and the effectiveness of that noise reduction hole. A secure fit also means less worry about them falling out during activity. When you purchase these, you receive 3 pairs of replacement ear tips, offering good value and spares should you need them. Vanjua also stands behind their product with a strong satisfaction guarantee, offering a fast replacement with no questions asked if a customer isn't absolutely thrilled. This kind of commitment speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and performance of these ear tips. In summary, for AirPods Pro first and second generation owners seeking an upgrade or simply a fresh set of ear tips, the Vanjua replacement ear tips present a compelling option. Their focus on slim design, durable yet comfortable materials, the innovative noise reduction hole, and the provision of multiple sizes for a perfect fit all contribute to what appears to be a superior listening experience. It's a small investment that could make a big difference in your daily audio enjoyment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.